time them stay so. I'm glad TJ and the rest around them on the board find them out. Cause the night when them over TJ and TJ I say, him want number one and them a mock him. And them a mock him a long time them blood clots says if I children live uptown, then go let them more than pussy clad people. And who fuck battle like a them a live uptown and yam battle like a dog. But she never looked what she was doing too. This is incomplete. Blackbone never stop blackbone people too enough. When me put on my clothes when me comfortable, you know, any big pussy girl come by me, boy, me a class them. Me a class them cause you no fashion review. I'm never they put on my clothes to ask if me look good or not. But put on my clothes according to what I see. Cause I said me like a Carnival. One big t-shirt, one look of tights, and me look of sneakers, go wind up myself. I enjoy myself I come on my yard. So people hold on there no. Me no hear let me think say Jalen alone apologize. Me no hear per them come with apology.
With what?
Oh the girl.
Which girl that?
The girl when them put up on us so she no look good at Carnival.
Oh, them come with me think say me alone could have give apology to blow.
Yeah, them come with apology. So the girl, the apology, they did apology video. Yeah, but you know them two out of order. Wanna give feedback from people just in I want no fashion police. Too enough. Excuse.
Yo, no give me some rose then. No give me some rose there.
I content to no one about people. So of course, the two out of order. Wanna give views for oh she never look good. And me see one look nasty police soldier woman to shag off your work. Oh, their opinion is their opinion. Who the fuck is on the bone now come on have opinion for people when they want to hear? You stink like shit.
Well, me no lucky enough, so me not going night. No.
You can't go in night. The truth is the truth.
Hey, who the hell is them? Perry now give me no line now. And a too long now we keep on talk about it. So me talk my mind.
Who the fuck is you boy your opinion for people dress code? They're out of order. Them not buy you know, first thing first, a Carnival, them now buy shit. Cause Compare whosoever sponsor them. So them costume free, juice free. All them have on I feel about them appearance and them blood clad shoes. And them gonna get all the shoes free too. Them no pay $1.
But Rose, me see you wear a sheet as dress.
I'm supposed to wear anything, Jaden, on my own.
Long time I not hear from Rosealee, I'm not telling you lie. Yo, several Rose. Give us rose there. Everybody send a rose there. Everybody send a rose. Chat. Everybody send a rose. I miss.
Several rose, chat. I'm supposed to wear that me a talk about.
Chat 3 more.
When
Come
people put on them clothes and go about them business and find far like on our fashion police. Somehow no mama.
Nikki, thank you. One more, chat. One more.
Like
One more.
Step in that shit.
Love that.
Somehow no mama mouth stink like it step in that shit. Somehow no mama mouth stink like it step in that shit. When I come down now, people can't put on them clothes and people. You never look good and you never look good and you never look good. And somehow you can't look good.
But Rose, all them talk, you look better than most of them girls anyway.
Yeah, I buy my clothes and a free clothes me I wear. And not sponsor clothes me I wear, it's buy them a machine. It might not turn good for me, but me look good in it. Can I buy it? No.
I don't want to play.
Me and 6. Yeah.
A good to win then.
What make?
6. Remember I said 6. Oh, Ross. Ross Clot. You man Perry fall out, man. Well, me don't know enough.
The ranker can't shoot for you.
Rose, I breed?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah. So when we done that, baby, them come suck it out. Yeah, that little girl I'm missing chat.
Chat. I hope them not find her dead, you know.
Me feel like say Our shades, them are true.
Who that?
Upon the girl. How you can't.
Probably don't like her.
You can't say you get about they say a review. People clothes when they put on video about them business. Oh, she never look good. Then look good. Then look good. It's still a keep.
Yeah.
Where?
Of course, look what I keep.
Look good I rent you pay.
Who pay rent? Me tell you, I'm buy this whole house. It's like you're deaf.
Yes, boss lady, I do know that. She missing. She's missing girl. So if you see her, contact the nearest police station.
Please,
In a class, she missing me. I put her up to find help for her mother. She missing. Missing girl. Missing girl. I'm a Jamaica big.
So Rose, if them sponsor you, will take a sponsorship?
Huh?
If them sponsor you, will take a sponsorship?
See the guys, we get 2 gloves. That's how we can look some more. City D, you get gloves. City D, you get gloves. Sean, maybe you get gloves. Come on, chat, we look 2 more gloves. What kind of sponsorship?
Sponsorship.
Gloves, look chat later.
Sponsorship. Like what Perry them get.
But no want a sponsorship. I already I beg you so.
Chat, come now, chat.
I love in a store about ear and clothes and boot. As someone who don't live nowhere, people apartment to catch up in our people's house.
I'm here to road for you.
When me put on my clothes, when me comfortable, any big pussy girl come by me, boy, me a class them. Cause who no fashion review. I'm never put on my clothes to ask who me look good or not. But put on my clothes according to what I see. Cause I said, me like a Carnival. One big t-shirt, one look tights, and me look sneakers, go wind up myself. I enjoy myself, I come on my yard. Long time them stay so. I'm glad TJ and the rest around them on the board find them out. Cause the night when them over TJ and TJ I say, him want #1 and them a mock him. And them a mock him a long time them blood clad says if I children live uptown, then go let them more than pussy clad people. And who fuck battle like a them a live uptown and yam battle like a dog. But she never looked what she was doing too. This never is incomplete. Black bone never stop black bone people too enough.
Our Tanya not known for.
Me don't know enough. Me don't know how to come up a black bone people on a come and beggar like myself, yeah. Yeah. Cause all you are all who know black bone people who just a come and beggar like myself, yeah. I be a free things when they get don't buy shit. The only thing you pay for are the house when you live in a free clothes. Come like when you get all free food. Just a live free so. And now man, I don't want a blood clot business. I pay free things when you get pay freeness. See them got my carry show they sat there. Why them a black about it? Cause them no want nobody know so them go spend how much in millions of US dollar.
Right.
I'm trying to be looking at here still.
Come
got them costume free.
Come no chat Pooh Bear.
A little girl I'm missing chat. I'm going to help find her.
No man.
Don't learn to judge people chat after them appearance. The whole of we are human being. Don't learn to judge people after them appearance and run for talk about who no look good from who no look good. People put on them clothes and wear them clothes. So how comfortable them in them clothes. People now wear clothes to look good. People are wear clothes to comfort. If one shoes are bun you're not to wear it. If one dress tight, you're not to wear it. And if it's too big, you gotta adjust it. You understand? People wear them clothes, all them feel like. Not 2 cents and not 3 cents and they want people put on them clothes about them business. Go enjoy themselves. A long tired day of work, I'm going to enjoy myself, wherever, whoever. That is not your business. Them rude, them wrong. I'm in a business nobody wants them in a care, that's the truth. You're wrong. No wrong. Not 2 cents and not 3 cents and when people put on them clothes. And your opinion about your review. No opinion and you put on your clothes. Because the people that mirror them blood clot yard. People opinion in them mirror. People opinion in them fucking mirror. No people. Not too enough. As some of my clothes got funeral and some of the big old girl take it up, you know. And thinking Shibada, you know. Like say, when I put on my clothes, I never looking at my fucking mirror on my body. People wear them clothes in mirror. Oh, you look good at you don't look good at you. They look good at keep. Some don't look good and have not even shit. You know, so want to be this high class of a person. You forgot the moral and the standards of people. And them own personal space. Sent you she go she missing. You forgot the moral of people, personal space.
No.
To the moral space with people. When it's too enough. The girl go at 95. I work her money and buy a costume. How much in $1,000 when you get phone one free? So you want to review people. You know sound of dunce. I don't sound of bright. Dunce. The girl go at 95 job and bought her incomplete costume. I only get phone complete free. You know cost you nothing. Some more for sure so you know the way. Can't not buy nothing. A person that purchased something has a key and them use them own and market money out of them pocket and purchase it. You don't buy nothing, so you know the way. Out to other man. And then at the end of the day, you come on the internet about taps and roses. You don't review people on a beggar.
Seven rows, the chat. Seven rows.
The first thing first, you should have up me mouth.
No rose.
I don't be there, sit down and have backpack, camera, this, that, blah, blah.
We can't get 7 rows, chat. 3 more. Gaza, thank you.
I don't business if you don't have backpack, camera, info, Ray. You don't live out of people pack already live for business. You know what time I scroll through my For You and some things when I start with the blood clot, this is not my mind. And scroll past. Because I don't live out of people pack already, so I might as well stay far from out of people business. Because the first thing first, I'm going to say, remember you're bigger, you know, girl. You don't have no talk, so. Remember you now work a good 95. All you do a come on TikTok, come sit down and beg. Learn to appreciate. You can't tell me if you don't know, come off from a page. And go suck your mama. Come off from a blood clot page. Come off of my page and don't tell me what to do. People put on them clothes and go about them business. People that put on them clothes, say alright then. Ray. Guys, repost this girl is missing. TikTok, this little girl is missing. If you seen her, contact the police.
Watch her now. But now I want to repost it cause on a class here, yeah? No, okay, no.
Make a class about the Jaden.
You can't class nobody.
Huh?
What you say?
I'm not class about the Jaden.
Me I tell you, so them now go repost.
I block that girl there. You don't come back. It's good enough. You have 1,000 odd people go start your own life and come from over this dark shit.